So for the first time, I decided to give this product a trial. The Nature's hey. But yeah, this is a product I. So this is how it looks like. Oh lolo.
You can bank on it. You can put 100 grand on it. Anything I said, I stand.
Hi guys. So I recently went to the salon and I discovered that I had dandruff. It's been a while I went to the salon, don't get me wrong, and I feel like this is something that should or would have been avoided, but it was not entirely my fault because the product I usually use to treat dandruff got exhausted and my vendor said she was not having it. But I've gotten a new product that I'm hopeful that is going to work. But first off, this is the hair we are dealing with. So yeah. So yeah, this is the hair we are dealing with, and this is the product I actually got. I don't know if you guys can see it, but yeah, this is the product I got. It is the Nature's Gentle Touch Tea Tree Antidandruff Leave-In Treatment. It claims to help eliminate itching and flakiness that is associated with dandruff, and the caution is the usual: avoid contact with your eyes and all of that. So according to the direction on this product, it says, and I read, use only as directed, squeeze small amounts onto your palms or your fingertips depending on the volume and length of your hair, rub hands together, then massage thoroughly into your scalp. Apply to scalp 1 to 4 times daily as required. Do not rinse out. So what they're trying to tell us now is that we can use this product up to 4 times every single day. And are you not telling me that it's not going to lead to product overload, or what are they saying? Because at this point, okay. Then moving on, do not rinse out. Obviously it's a leave-in treatment, and any form of leave-in treatment requires you not to rinse it out. It requires you to leave it in, as the name implies. So I don't even intend to rinse any of these products out to even begin with. And tea tree that I know of has always claimed to have anti-dandruff properties. So let's see. I've not tried this product before. This is my first time, but I've heard like good reviews on Nature's Gentle Touch products, like their range in general. So I hope this actually works for me because I've had dandruff before, like 4 to 5 years ago, but now it has resurfaced and I'm looking for a new product. Since the product I was using to eliminate it, the vendor is no longer selling it, so I don't know when next I will get it. That's why I had to opt in for something else. So let's see if this would actually work, because what they claim it would work for is what I currently have, which is the flakiness that is associated with dandruff. So let's unbox it together, me, you together. So here we go. Ooh. Oh, okay, nice. So this is how it looks like, and yeah, it will expire in the next 2 years. By then I should have exhausted it, but it's actually nice. Like, it looks well put together. It's very portable, very portable. So let's see. Oosh. Let me see how it looks like. Oh lolo. It's whitish. It doesn't really have a very strong, it doesn't have a strong smell at all. I was expecting this minty form and all of that, minty smell, but it is just very, it has it, but it's really minute, and it's actually good because we don't want to be carrying things on our hair that will be quite choking, you get. But yeah, let's just apply it.
You can bank on it. You can put 100 grand on it. Anything I said, I stamp on it. In a private plane, I lamp on it. Lele oh, then they call me bank on it. Cause I walk around with the bank on him. Show them Gangnam Style, put that gang on him. Twist my fingers up on a bang on him. Lele oh, yeah. Tobalo ko macho, yeah. Tobalo mako macho, yeah. Nobody know tomorrow. Choro ka choro.
I need to take more because I want to follow the lines on my scalp. Luckily for me, I did cornrows, so it's easier for me to see the lines on my scalp rather than, you know, when you have like a full scalp of afro and your hand will not be able to penetrate directly on every part of your scalp. Do you get? But now there are actually lines that you can use as a guide. Do you get? So yeah, I just really hope it works. I really hope it really works because I will be one of the happiest, because you guys know the itchiness that comes with dandruff in general. It's really unbearable. It's very discomforting.
You can bank on it. You can put 100 grand on it. Anything I said, I'll stamp on it. In a private plane, I'll lamp on it. Lele oh, then they call me Bankole. Cause I walk around with the bank on him. Show them Gangnam Style, put that gang on him. Twist my fingers up on a bang on him. Lele oh, yeah. Tobalo ko macho, yeah. Tobalo mako macho, yeah. Nobody know tomorrow. Choro ka choro. And if a boy feel macho, make him lick red like a tomato. If him not dead, then he comatose. No go bamboo.
So for the first time, I decided to give this product a trial. The Nature's Gentle Touch product. So for the first time, I decided to give this product a trial. The Nature's Gentle Touch Tea Tree Antidandruff Leave-In Treatment. So hopefully it works, and you know, I'll give review on it over time. I remain your favorite hair coach. Thank you for sticking till this time. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe. You know how we do it, and you know our goal, 4,000 watch hours. I am still trying to get there, and you know I'm giving you guys content upon content. So if you know you've not watched some of my content, please do so. You know, go through my playlist and, you know, soak yourself in it, binge watch them and learn a lot from my videos, right? And tell your friends and family as usual about this page. They want to grow long, healthy, bouncy hair. I remain your favorite hair coach. All right, I'll see you in my next, and bye.
You can bank on it. You can put 100 grand on it. Anything I said, I'll stamp on it. In a private plane, I'll lamp on it. Lele oh, then they call me Bankole. Cause I walk around with the bank on him. Show them Gangnam Style, put that gang on him.